that's right at the top. So when you start out with just a loop, just loop over your hand, and then we're going to take the loop that comes from the back, the one in the black knot, and go around your thumb such that the loops look like this. Okay, so make sure that the loop around the thumb is over and the other one is under. Okay, got it? So the next thing we'll do is we'll take this end, the one with the green tape, go over your thumb, and then the one that is below, go over your thumb in the other direction. Okay, and this is where it gets a bit confusing because the tail ends of each rope will exchange positions, and the green tape will be on the right side instead. Take the end of the green tape, go under the end of the black tape, okay, and then thread it through the loop that your finger is still on, like this. Okay, so once I have that, I pull this and take out my thumb at the same time, and if I just sort of jiggle and pull the threads a bit, you see a semi-figure of 8 being formed. Okay, so you have this. Now I'm just going to extend my green tape because it's very short. Okay, so we have this. So I'm going to take this out, and you can see that I didn't shift the configuration of the knot. I'm going to take the end of the green tape again, okay, and going around the loop at the back, come out from the center of your figure of 8 towards you. This. So you get this. Okay, and now I'm going to take the end with the black tape, and again I'm going to go around, but this time from the top, the loop at the back, and come out from the center. Okay, so once I have this, I'm going to just gently pull all the threads, and can you see your knot appearing? So now everything is very loose, and your job is to slowly tighten the knot. Okay, you can see that with this knot, you still have a loop on the top. So the last step would be to slowly use a pair of tweezers, or you can use your fingers if your knot is quite big, and slowly pull this loop inwards until it forms part of the knot. Should I do it? That will take some time.